Good morning, everyone. My name is Jared Zagkowski with Pressing Environmental, and I thought today would be a great time to showcase how we create moisture maps for commercial construction projects that go through flood incidences. So what you will need is you will need some sort of tablet or smart device. You can also print out floor plans. We're basically using this to upload floor plans into it so that we can mark them up and give them to the remediation crew or to the owner of the project. We like to use a stylus along with this to make it a better product for our clients, and you'll need to use the app GoodNote. So this is the app GoodNote. This is where we upload our floor plans from the commercial projects we are working on so that we can mark them up, give them to the remediation crew to make the overall process efficient, clean, and easy to work with so that people can go in and take care of the work that needs to get done. So the first thing that we like to do is we like to create a legend of the things that we are working with. GoodNote is very easy for this. You just use their text option. You can just add, you can edit, you can add everything you need. You just basically want to create a legend so that you can display, what you are talking about when you are marking it up. So from there, you go down to the unit. So before you even do any of this, we highly recommend that you go through the unit, take a look at all of the things that are going on, look at the environmental conditions, see where the moisture readings are, see where the relative humidity is at, and just do the overall visual inspection if you're a part of an industrial hygienist company or you are out here doing this type of work, then you know that you need to go through and do your due diligence. Now, once that you've made notes and you've figured out where the overall moisture is, we just go into here. We take a very simple color. You can make custom colors on GoodNote, which is great. You go up to it. So let's say this wall had elevated moisture and we want to perform a 2-foot flood cut. You just drive through and then there you go. And that's pretty much it. So if we want to do that, you can also go into here. We have some visible mold growth if we see, drag it along the BOP here, and we will be good to go. So to give you an overall example, in the real case, in the real world, this is where one of those things would have looked like, Taking a look at this. This is basically what it looks like in the real world as we're going through. So again, I hope this helps you out a lot. We believe that this is the industry standard for creating moisture maps. And we believe that this is the most efficient way to be able to display the notes and give the overall advice that we need to our clients and our remediation crews to be able to perform the job accurately and effectively. If you are in charge of a commercial construction project that has had a flood incident, please give us a call. We'd be more than willing to come out to give you a full moisture map, a full diagnosis of your issues, and let you know the best practices and protocols to be able to take care of those issues. This has been Pressing Environmental. I hope you have a wonderful and a phenomenal day.